Geez Louise, you remember this? Exactly 2 years ago today, that 6.5 earthquake rattled most of central and southern Idaho, and it happened just before 6 o'clock local time. And the epicenter was about 45 miles west of Chalice. And fun fact, it was actually the strongest earthquake to hit the Gem State in more than 40 years. And I know so many of you were likely at home while this hit, and a majority of us here at the station had just been sent home for work because of COVID 2 years ago exactly. And we were actually just getting ready to go on air when the actual earthquake hit, and we watched, I watched at home on my couch because I had actually been at home sick with COVID. So this was just an opportunity to watch as a viewer as our weather team, as well as our reporters and everyone jumped into action all of a sudden to follow this breaking earthquake right in the early days of COVID. It was really, a bizarre time to me that I think back to is that March 31st earthquake right in the beginning of 2020, when really it was just a crazy time. Now, thankfully, there was no major damage and no one was hurt 2 years ago. But here's some interesting insight for you. According to the Idaho Geological Survey, in the 2 years since that earthquake, there have been more than 3,200 aftershocks, but most have been so small that you likely didn't even know they happened. I can tell you, I didn't know. But 23 of those were larger than a 4.0 magnitude, and a majority of those have happened near the Stanley area. Now, the 2020 quake was only a touch less intense than Idaho's most powerful quake, a serious one that hit in 1983 with a magnitude of 6.9 near Bora Peak in east central Idaho. 2 children were killed in that very serious quake.